Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in today's video, we are going to set up Node.js and to see what software required to do the Node.js coding. So let's first check the Node.js website. So it's official Node.js website. So we always take LTS, that is latest stable version. Current version it may be higher, but it's recommended to use LTS. And also apart from Node.js, we also need your VS Code. Okay, VS Code is like your Eclipse, like your tool where you're going to write the code. So let's download. Let's first, okay, you can download depending on the requirement, Windows, Mac OS, Linux. So let me download the Node.js and the VS Code. Okay, so now it's downloaded already. So we'll start the installation now. Okay, so I can see my installation is started. So I'll just install, and it also includes your npm also. You can say npm 8.1.11.0. So npm basically your node package manager where all your library required to do the node.js coding will be there. You just have to npm install. So we'll go to that later. First let's install the node.js. Okay, so now you can see my node.js is already installed. So let's check if it is installed or not correctly. So for that, go to command prompt, and here you can check your Node.js version. So I'll check it is 16.5, 15.1. So also need to check the Node package manager version. So you have to run npm-v just like node-v. So just make sure your npm is installed correctly, otherwise you will not able to install, do npm install, npm clear, all those things, all npm related operation. So now 6.4.1 is installed. So let's go to VS Code. I have already installed my VS Code and created a folder training. So in the terminal, okay, now we have to create a new project. Okay, to create a new project, you should run npm init. Okay, so if I run this one, then it should automatically create my package.json and all related uh, dependencies and files. So here you see your package name. You can give any package name. Let's say I will give all stack developer. Version should be 1.0. You can go description, training, node.js. Entry point will be, can put index.js or app.js, or put in test command will skip it that for now. Git repo skip for now. Keyword sleep. Author will skip for now. License skip. So now will the package.json will be created with this configuration. So we'll just write yes. So let's see. So okay, so now my package.json is already created. So before we move forward, so now my project is ready for coding. So before we move forward, I'll just give you an overview on package.json because this is the important thing, part of your Node.js project. Here all the dependency, all the node command you have to mention, and I'll give you an overview on node package manager, how you should use and how effectively you can in dependency injection you can do so in your project, so you can do the coding effectively. So let's understand npm. So npm is basically your node package manager. So npm is the default package manager for the JavaScript running environment Node.js. So basically npm is your package manager for Node.js. So it consists of your command line client called npm, and also you have a online database of public and paid private packages called npm registry. So basically you have a registry which is called npm registry, which consists of all your libraries, JavaScript libraries and modules in online version. Okay, so let's say you run and command to, let's say, npm install to some library. So what will happen? So in Node.js there is an installer in .npm which is consist of a command line. So it will interact with your remote registry, which is your npm registry, and it's allow user to consume and distribute JavaScript module that are available in the registry. So once you run npm install, then what will happen? It will run in the command line client, and it will fetch that module or that library from your npm registry. So if you want a dedicated video on npm and all its command and how I can add a library to npm, all those things, please let me know, so I'll make a dedicated video on npm. So next we'll move to package.json. Okay, so it is, you can say it is a heart of your any node.js project. Okay, so your project metadata, your project command, and your node.js configuration all are present in package.json. So it records important metadata about the project which is required before publishing to npm, and also defines the functional attribute of a project that npm used to install dependency. So basically you have to mention all your dependency in your package.json file. So when you run npm install, it will fetch from your remote repository to your project. And also it runs scripts. So you have to mention the script you want to run. Let's say you want to run npm start, npm test, you have to write all your script in package.json. And also you have to identify the entry point of your package. So in previously we just mentioned that index.js is your entry point. So in the package.json is most important thing in your project. So 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 that's it for today. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you everyone.